For today's look, we're going for a really simple, dewy, no makeup look. Let's get to it. Up first is the Texture Smoothing Cream by Coco Kind.
This cream by Coco Kind applies so smoothly and always feels so light on my skin. It's perfect for prepping a dewy look.
Followed by the Keys Soul Care Let Me Glow Illuminating Serum. This is my secret to a dewy makeup look for sure. Just a little bit of this goes a long way.
I'll be applying this all over my face today, but I do focus on the areas where a natural highlight would shine anyway.
Now, I'm going to use this product by Honest Beauty because it has SPF in it and it's a very good light coverage product. So let's put this on. It is one of my favorites. If you've been following me for a while, I am sure you have seen me use this by now.
There are not enough compliments I could give this tinted moisturizer. It works so well on my sensitive skin.
I love how you can totally see the Keys Soul Care product coming through this. And I'm just applying this very gently because I want the Keys Soul Care product to come through. You can also see how much this has eliminated redness because I didn't apply it on my nose yet and my nose is still red. And no, it's not.
As always, I've linked as many of these products as I can on my Amazon storefront and my Like to Know It account.
I'm going to use this Wander Beauty. This is a blush and a bronzer duo. I'm going to use this just very lightly to add a subtle hint of pink, kind of like a pinky peach color, and just a very light contour, very light.
I tend to gravitate towards powder finishes when I want a light blush and contour. If you haven't tried Wander Beauty yet, I do recommend checking them out because they have some great products that work so well.
I'm going to use one of my go-to brow pencils. This is my infamous $3 brow pencil that I love using, so I'm just going to brush them into place and just very lightly fill in some of the gaps.
This brow pencil is fantastic. Again, it's another product I cannot compliment enough.
I'm actually going to leave a plain lid today. I'm not putting any makeup on my eyelid. I'm just going to use a little bit of brown mascara.
This mascara is by ColourPop. I like using the brown mascara because it defines the lashes enough without creating an overly dramatic look.
For lips, I'm going super simple. I'm just going to use this liner. It's actually called Give Me a Kiss.
This liner is one of my favorites from Kylie Cosmetics. It's from the Kris Jenner collection.
And I'm actually just going to add a little bit of pink to it and some shimmer with this gloss. One of my favorites by Dibs.
Dibs is a brand that I just cannot get enough of.
And literally, that is it. So you can see that the illuminating serum from Keys Soul Care completely eliminated the need for me to put on any highlighter. Just a little bit of brown mascara, filling in the brows a bit. Super simple.
Here is the final look. Thank you so much for watching and follow me for more.